Hey everyone, my name is Irvin and I'm here to show you the advantages of using Cloudflare for better website performance. Over the past few years, cloud hosting has become increasingly popular and is now being used by many global businesses. But making the switch can be quite daunting, so in this video, I'll walk you through some of the tips and tricks for optimizing Cloudflare for better performance. Properly configure DNS settings. DNS, or Domain Name System, plays a significant role in optimizing website performance. Configuring DNS settings properly ensures that website visitors are directed to the correct servers. Failing to configure DNS settings appropriately can lead to slower website performance, resulting in a poor user experience. UltaHost and Cloudflare users can opt to use Cloudflare's DNS server to further optimize website performance. Use the latest TLS version. TLS, or Transport Layer Security, is the encryption protocol used to secure website traffic. Keeping up with the latest TLS version ensures that website traffic is fully encrypted, leading to better website performance. Using the latest TLS version can also improve website security, adding an extra layer of protection from malicious attacks. Leverage Cloudflare compression. Cloudflare compression is a feature that assists in reducing the size of files transferred between the web server and the client browser. This feature assists in decreasing page load times, a vital consideration for websites that are optimized for performance. Minify CSS, JS, and HTML. Minifying or shrinking CSS, JavaScript, and HTML files reduces file sizes and improves page load times. Cloudflare has a feature that automatically optimizes these files at the edge to further optimize website performance. Enable browser caching. Enabling browser caching caches web content on user devices, reducing the number of requests to the server and improving website performance. Cloudflare uses directives in HTTP headers to allow browser caching to ensure that website performance is further optimized. Optimizing Cloudflare for better website performance is a crucial consideration for UltaHost web hosting customers. By properly configuring DNS settings, leveraging Cloudflare compression, using the latest TLS version, minifying CSS, JS, and HTML files, and enabling browser caching, website performance can be significantly improved. In summary, we highly recommend integrating Cloudflare into UltaHost's web hosting services to optimize website performance, increase security, and provide a better overall user experience for your audience. Head to ultahost.com to get started. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and helpful content like this.